Welcome to today's news update. Here are the 10 top stories we're covering today. AlphaTON Capital rebrands to Alpha Compute, expands AI computing business. AlphaTON Capital Corp has rebranded as Alpha Compute Corp, with shares now trading under the ticker ALP on Nasdaq, reflecting its growth in AI computing infrastructure with a focus on privacy. The company offers sovereign AI infrastructure and scalable GPU deployment, aiming to provide trusted compute for sensitive AI workloads. Apple's new MacBook Ultra could be exactly what I've been wanting. Apple's upcoming MacBook Pro redesign is reportedly called MacBook Ultra, featuring a new design, touchscreen, OLED display, and more. This news has sparked excitement among fans, particularly those who have been waiting for a high-end laptop with these features to switch from other devices. The MacBook Ultra promises to offer significant upgrades over the current Mac lineup, including touchscreen, OLED, and Face ID capabilities. The world's most complex machine. ASML, a Dutch company, produces machines that create advanced semiconductors, crucial for computing and manufacturing. These massive machines, roughly the size of double-decker buses, require precise calibration and are essential for producing billions of transistors on tiny silicon chips. World's blandest man steps down from CEO job to spend more time in tastefully appointed home. Apple CEO Tim Cook steps down after 15 years, succeeded by John Ternus on September 1. Under Cook's leadership, Apple's stock rose 18-fold, with annual revenues and profits growing significantly. However, the company has struggled to replicate its earlier successes, with few notable new products introduced in recent years. Ask Hackaday, how much compute is enough? The concept of computing power has been mispredicted numerous times throughout history, with IBM President Thomas Watson estimating only 5 computers would be needed by 1943. Today, microcontrollers and other devices can perform complex tasks, making it difficult to determine the limits of computation. The US company that wants Samsung's foldables banned might have a big timeline problem. AlphaTON Computing has filed a patent infringement lawsuit against Samsung, accusing the company of violating its foldable phone technology patents. The US-based firm seeks damages, royalties, and a permanent ban on Samsung's Galaxy Z series of foldable phones. AlphaTON claims to have developed foldable phone technologies as early as 2008, predating the market debut of similar products from other companies. Snap CEO hypes up extraordinary new smart glasses which will leave Meta in the dust. Snap CEO Evan Spiegel highlighted the company's forthcoming smart glasses will feature in-house hardware development, giving it an advantage over competitors. He emphasized the importance of controlling the intersection between hardware and software to deliver an extraordinary customer experience. The move is seen as a departure from Meta's approach, which relies on partnerships with EssilorLuxottica. Inside Microsoft's wave of executive departures. Microsoft has experienced a notable wave of executive departures this year, impacting various business units including Core AI, Windows, Office, and GitHub. The departures are attributed to the company's struggle to retain talent in a competitive market with a low stock price, prompting changes to annual rewards and performance programs. This Finnish privacy-focused Linux phone wants you to forget Google exists. Jala, a Finnish company founded by ex-Nokia engineers, has launched its new Linux-based smartphone running Sailfish OS 5. The device, priced at $649, supports Android apps through an emulation layer that eliminates Google's surveillance infrastructure. It features a mid-range specification set, including a 6.36-inch Full HD AMOLED display and 8 GB of RAM. The simple geometry behind any road. A procedural generation system for roads uses abstract cross-sections, called profiles, to store information about a road's geometry at specific points. These profiles are then interpolated between to generate smooth, parallel paths, using only lines and circular arcs. The approach avoids the use of centerline Bezier splines, which were previously found to be an inefficient method for rendering roads in game development. Please like, subscribe, and comment your views on this channel.